In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a carrier in Shippo. Whether you're a seasoned Shippo user or just getting started, managing your shipping carriers is a key part of streamlining your logistics. So let's dive right in and keep things simple and straightforward. First, open up your preferred web browser and search for Shippo. It'll only take a moment. When you see the search results, look for the link with the URL goshippo.com and give it a click. This will take you directly to their website, where we can log into your account. Once you're on the Shippo homepage, you'll want to locate the Login button. It's usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your login credentials to access your Shippo dashboard. If your details are already saved, you might find yourself logged in automatically. Handy, right? Now that you're in, the next step is to find the settings icon. Typically, this icon looks like a small gear and could be either in the side menu or at the top of the page. Click on this icon to enter the settings menu, where you can manage various aspects of your Shippo account. In the settings menu, your attention should be directed towards the navigation bar on the left side. Look for a section labeled Shipping, and under that, you'll find Carriers. Click on Carriers to see the list of carrier accounts that are currently associated with your Shippo profile. Here's where you can view all the carrier accounts you've set up. If there's an account you need to disable, simply choose that account and toggle it to the off position. It's as easy as that. But if the carrier you're looking for isn't listed, don't worry. There's a way to add a new one. To connect a new carrier account, find and click on the option that says Plus Connect Carrier Account. This will prompt you to a new page where you can type in the carrier's name. To make things easier, you might want to filter the options by the origin country, helping you quickly pinpoint the carrier you need. Once you've found the carrier you want to add, click on it. You'll be required to input some necessary information, such as account numbers or API credentials, to establish the connection. When you have all the details filled out, just click Connect Account and you'll be set. By following these steps, you can effortlessly manage or change carriers in Shippo, ensuring that your shipping operations run smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for following along, and make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one.